Hello and welcome back to Everything Tumbler Tutorials with Creative Final Designs. So I'm super excited to show you on this little can koozie how we're going to do a crackle effect using Crackle Effect spray paint from Montana. I will have the links down for you below for that. This is the easiest way to get a crackle effect, and you don't have to use Elmer's glue or the crackle medium. This is so easy. So basically you can paint the cup any base color that you want. The key to this is to not make sure your spray paint has dried. So this is a gold metallic and it dries very quickly. So I probably waited about 10 minutes before I took this back outside to do the crackle effect from Montana. So keep in mind, the thicker the paint, the bigger your cracks. The thinner the paint, the smaller the cracks. As you'll see, I'll take this outside and bring it back in for you to watch the crackle effect in fast forward motion. Guys, please make sure that you spray paint using the crackle effect from Montana outside in a very, very well ventilated area. So as you can see, this starts to crackle really, really fast. You do not need to apply any heat at all. Let it do its thing. And I probably waited about an hour, and then I took it outside and then sealed it, brought it back in, and went ahead and used the quick set from Craze. Now we're ready for our decal, which I did purchase off of Etsy. I've done several water slides for you guys as tutorials, so I didn't want to go crazy talking too much about it this time, but I will have links in the description, a cue card, and an end screen to where it will take you to where I do go into depth detail about water slide images. I will say for this image and the back half image, I did not use Plasti Dip at all. As you will see though, as I always do, I use a paper towel and just make sure that I don't have any air pockets at all. However, if you do come across any air pockets, you can use your X-Acto knife when your image is completely dry and just pop those very, very carefully. And once you feel really good about your placement, leave it to dry for about 30 minutes before placing your second decal, if you choose to use a second decal. For my second decal, I'm going to use Wild at Heart. Please don't beat me up for this. I did not save, and I don't remember the font that I used. If I can come across it, I promise to put a pin post letting you guys know what font that I used for the Wild at Heart decal. So I did make this video fairly quick, and I'm hoping that I can come back with not necessarily a part 2, but I'm definitely going to come back so I can show you guys the crackle in real time, but spraying outside both my base coat as well as the crackle spray paint from Montana. So here I am, as you can see, I'm just doing the epoxy method, and I'm using the Snow Caps additive from AB Designs just so that the whole thing will sparkle. I really hope you guys enjoyed this super quick, fun tutorial on how to crackle using a spray paint. If so, please hit that like button. Do not forget to subscribe. And if you have any questions, drop them down below as I answer every single one. Thank you so much, and I'll see you soon.